Hi guys, it's me, Tamara, your crafty nurse. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've recorded a video. It's been due to crazy, hectic life. If you come and watch the whip and chat that I hopefully will do this week, I will go over more about what's been going on in my crazy life. But right now, today, we have our unboxing. I finally got my order from Diamond Art Club, and we are going to unbox it today. Yay! I'm wearing my 101 Dalmatians scrub shirt today. So this is one of the kits that I got. We will do unboxings for all the different kits that I've purchased. But this is the first one that I got, and so let's go ahead. Are you ready for the big reveal? This one's a square. I've never done a square kit before, so I'm looking forward to doing this. I will probably do this one. It's a smaller one, so I will probably do this one first. I still don't know if I'm going to sell this one on the website or not. But it's a possibility because I want to see what the difference is between square and circle. So, you ready to find out which one it is? Ta-da! Let's get you in there. Not upside down. We don't want you upside down. Let's get the glare off. Come on, glare. Go away, glare. There we go. Maybe you can see it like that. It's Wink. And it is small. I'm going to bring you down a little bit so you can see it down here. You're not so far away. There we go. Now you might be able to see a little bit better. Can you see Wink? I got it upside down again. Don't mind me, still trying to figure out all the camera angles and everything like that. This is only 17 by 17. So I don't think it'll take me that long. And I was going to use it for the whip and chat where I explain where I've been, what's been going on in life, and all of that stuff, and what my plans are for the future, because we have gotten some plans made up in our head. Whether or not they go through and that stuff is a totally different story. But okay. I'm so excited. I get so jealous when I see like Rachel Ray and Mrs. Coffee open up Diamond Art Club, and I'm like, finally, it's my turn. I was finally able to afford it. Okay. I think that's probably in there. Okay, here is the toolkit. We're going to go through it because I've never been through it, and I want to be through one just at least once. Okay. All right, we have all these baggies, which I don't know what I'm going to use all these baggies for. I don't know. I am probably going to keep them in here and just start a bag that is full of nothing but baggies in case if I do need them. My first whip and chat for later on. Okay, we have our blue pin with the single placer. And I guess this is a 3-placer. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in there. Can you see that? The 3-placer. And of course you got your blue squishy or whatever color squishy they give you to go on. Now, I've gotten a lot of these, but I normally use, here's the pen I normally use. I got this pen off of Amazon. And this is the pen I normally use. Purple's my favorite color. But this is the pen I normally use. It's perfect for my hand. I don't get as fatigued as I do. Now, I do use also, I have other pink ones. I don't have the money to go and buy multiple pens right now. So I am using all the pink ones, but like I'm using different multi-placers and that stuff in these when I use these. So this blue one is actually gonna come off that one, and we're gonna stick it on this one for when I use it for multi-placers. Okay, and we got wax. You can never have too much wax. 2 little heart shapes. See? And I have so much wax laying around, but hey. And then just your little boat, your clear boat, which I don't think I need any more of these. For the simple fact, I think I got quite a few of them in a kit, but I'm not sure. But I like that it has the spout. And then, of course, tweezers. And I've gotten several pair of tweezers. Ooh, these are sharp. They're really sharp, so watch your fingers and that stuff. I'm thinking of actually starting a logbook. And doing a logbook for these. If I sell them, I can kind of like write down who I sold it to for what price and that kind of stuff. Just so I know in the future if I do that same kit again for like another person or something like that. You hear Princess and Paisley. Ooh, that is a nice soft canvas. We're gonna keep that to the side. I love the softness of this canvas. Okay. Now, I told you this thing is small, so I probably am going to do it in the next whip and chat that we do, and depending on how long the whip and chat takes, because I got a lot to go over. I'm hoping it won't be an hour long, but you never know with me. I talk a lot, so, but there it is. Okay, there it is. It's upside down to me, right side up to you. So let's bring it up a little bit so you can see, get rid of the shine. There you go. See, it's called Whiskers. And I love it. I have had all of my cats for the last God knows how many years have been black. I love black cats. I think I was a sophomore or junior when I got Gato. Yes, his name was Gato. We named him Cat in Spanish, Gato. And we had him quite a while. Because he didn't pass away till I was back up living with Mom after the military. And that stuff. And then after I got out of the military, I got Zany, which is another black cat that I got, who has since passed. He passed in September of 2019. And then after he passed, I got 3 black kittens, brothers, and they have since passed. They didn't make it more than a year and a half. They barely even... No, I had one of them for just over a year, unfortunately. Cold Weather got the first one, the second one was hit, and the third one, Cold Weather, just disappeared kind of thing. Okay, so I have never read these step-by-step instructions because, of course, I've never opened up a Diamond Art Club thing before. So you are going to see me reading these. Thank you for your purchase. Tips and tricks for your project using the multi-placer tool. And there's your code if you want to use a code. Thank you, 10 is the code. Okay. And then this is what I'm most excited for. This sticker project here. There are only 9 colors, of course. And I'm surprised 310 is not one of the colors, which is very surprising on here. I thought 310 would be one of the colors, but it's not. But there's only 9 colors, which I'm surprised they just didn't do 1 through 9. They still did symbols, with the symbol code and that stuff. And they're the little stickers. So I wanted to see, let me grab out, because I use, and I'm excited for you to see some of the other kits that I got. I got some that I'm definitely going to sell, and I got some that I'm going to keep. But I'm just looking to see, because I was wondering, I always wondered if these would fit on there. They will. They'll be perfect. They'll even go like that. Yay. Okay. These will fit on, because I got my kit set up, because I am not going to kit, I probably won't kit up or kit down kits until I run out of kits to use. And then I'll probably like combine like 3 or 4 of them in that stuff. When I kit down, I'll probably kit down like 5 or 6 kits at one time when I kit down. Okay, so there is the Wink. Forgot you're so far up. There you go. Okay, let's look at diamonds. Now, I have done 2 diamond paintings. Both came from Amazon. One of them I have to frame. It's a pug that you've seen me. I've done whip and chat with it. And then the other one is, this one doesn't have any Aurora Borealis, but that's okay. It's so small, it didn't, I mean, this is probably going to go up where I have my ashes of my cats, just to be kind of like in honorary of them. So, we got 415, which is a nice gray color, 318, which is another gray color, 762, which is a whitish, 414, still trying to remember where the camera thing is, 317, 939, 37.99, which is the largest color there is, 823, 38.65, and a double trouble of 38.65 there. Okay, so the white, there are no ABs in this. The white, the reason there's the double the mouse because it's all circled in white. But I like how it is. And like I said, I will probably be able to do most of this in one setting. It might take me 2. I might actually just split it up into 2 whip and chats. It depends how long it just takes me for the whip and chat. So, there you go. This is Wink. I will be putting out the other kits that I got from the Diamond Art Club. They will be coming up later on. So, keep a lookout for them. Talk to you later. Bye.